Thanks, Jordan. At sports time, former Premier League outfit Boys Town are trailing Real Mona by 2-0 after 75 minutes in the first game of a doubleheader. This in the CASAFA Super League at the Constant Spring Complex. Gordon Moses put Real Mona ahead in the 7th minute before Kemar Simpson doubled their advantage minutes later. Boys Town, who were relegated from the RSPL last season, need a win if they are to secure a semi-final berth. The game is currently live on TVJ Sports Network. Now, in the second game of the doubleheader, Central Kingston battle Met Forest at 8:30, which will also be live on TVJSN. In Saturday's quarterfinals, defending champions Barbican booked their spot in the semifinals with a 2-1 victory over Santos. Romain Husang opened the scoring for Barbican in the 28th minute with a lovely strike from the edge of the box. But Santos found their way back in the game 2 minutes later, thanks to an error from the Barbican goalkeeper, which Santos captain Sherton McPherson benefited from. However, Barbican's winner came in the 33rd minute through a comfortable finish from Maurice Wilson, which earned them a spot in the last 4. And Mullines United needed extra time to get the better of Brownstown 1-0 to also gain a semi-final spot. After a goalless regulation time, substitute Patrick Shecklood found the winner in the 103rd minute with an easy tap-in. In the CASAFA Major League on Saturday, New Kingston FC booked their spot into the semi-finals following a 5-4 penalty kick victory over Shortwood United at Winchester Park after the match ended 2-2 after full and extra time. Penalties also decided the day's other last 8 fixture, with Seaview Gardens booking their place in the semis with a 4-3 penalty shootout win over Greenwich Town at Barbican after a 1-1 regulation and extra time scoreline.